drive around. You guys are cochinos. You guys like those POV views. I know why. Can you guys hear that backfire? Got new brakes for the rear, so I need to break them in. So literally driving around would probably be a good idea. Look at that 8th gen. Sorry about that wind noise. Yeah, dude, so like, when was it, the other day? Getting out of work. It's a pretty shitty video, but I'm gonna play it right now. Honda Accord K24. No way that was a V6. That was interesting. Dude, I know there wasn't that much traffic behind us. But, I mean, I don't know if you knew who I was, big dog, but good, friendly run, I hope. It's funny because I'm just trying to get home, man. It's like 12:30 at night, almost 1 in the morning. And this guy just pulls up next to me, revs a little bit, and I'm like, all right, so we both downshift to 40. I'm gonna drive through the little parking structure over here by the collection and see if I can actually get the pops on video. Cause like Hector heard it, Victor heard it, and then my seat gets a little wet after Hector hears it. So then I want you guys to hear what I hear. I don't really have a good mount for the outside. Actually, I think I do, but I'm not going to. Wouldn't be smart for me to do that, so. Little bit right there, but there's a cut through here. Yeah, I'm one of those guys. That was a good one. I'm sure you guys have heard of that like purple tune, but basically what I'm doing right now is, I'm not sure what Theo did when he tuned my car, which I'm honestly trying to get retuned. Anyways, whenever Theo did my tune, I'm not sure exactly what it did to it. I'm sure he obviously tuned it, but it backfires whenever I give it a little bit of gas and let off the gas a little bit, around 2, sometimes even up to 2, sometimes even up to 4,000 RPMs. So that's kind of why it's been doing that every now and then, which, I mean, I personally don't mind. I love it. It gets really, it's like a really weak one because it's not like a loud 4-banger. It's really muzzled exhaust. I'm sure if I had a skunk to exhaust, it'd be a lot louder, but then again, I got to deal with that drone, and I don't want to deal with that. miles on this freaking rig driver. Sure. It's a Ford Focus RS in front. Oh my gosh. I don't care what you guys say, man. RS is such a nice car. I mean, I'd love to have one, but I probably wouldn't do anything to it because I'd be scared to break something, knowing me. But like, if you're gonna keep it stock, RS is a good car. It's not bad. Like, I've heard good things about it when people keep it stock. There's like maybe one person here in Oxnard where, I don't know his name, but I'm sure you guys seen him on YouTube, where it's a white RS with gold rims, gold intercooler, little gold accents around the car, and people have done videos on this car every now and then. I think he was on Roads Untraveled, but anyways, he was on it, and I always see him driving it everywhere. Dude, it's such a nice car. I remember when before I got my Civic, that was like the car that I really wanted to save up for. And then like, there wasn't, this was like the time where it wasn't like a for sure thing that it was gonna come to America. We just didn't know it yet. So I was like, oh, whatever, I'll just get this. I'll get the SI instead. Got this one. And then like a couple years after I have that car came out, I'm like, damn, I should have waited a couple more years. But if I probably did that, I probably wouldn't have started this channel and other things. So I am grateful that I got this car. You know, like, little sentimental values. I would have never met Hector, I would have never known how to even tune a car, yet alone like do all these installs and fails that I've done. So like, the experience is there, so I fucks with it. I've been playing non-stop Apex Legends, dude, and then for some reason, like, dude, I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm a nerd. I like cars, I like video games, and I love anime. Like, if I'm not on cars, it's because I'm playing video games. If I'm not playing video games, probably because I'm watching anime. Like right now, I'm like everywhere. If you guys are anime lovers, you guys gotta follow New Type. You guys remember this shit, right? So my boy Daniel, he started and finally has a website going on, and I'll show you the pictures when I get home. But it's a new anime that came out. It's called Demon Slayer. Put in and work on Gundams and Dragon Ball Z and all that stuff. So he's making stickers. Eventually he's gonna make me my damn car banner that says New Type right on top, I'm sure, and it's gonna look dope. Right now the theme is black with red and white, just like how my lanyard is. So that's gonna be fun. And then on June 29th, I'm gonna be hanging out with Danimal in the Inland Empire in San Bernardino. I'm gonna be hanging out with I Am Danimal in the San Bernardino area. There's gonna be a car meet there, so if you guys are around the area, I'm driving about 2.5 hours to go there for a couple hours. So I mean, if I can drive 2 hours, so can you. But anyways, I'm gonna go there, I'm gonna hang out with him. Finally gonna be able to meet him. I met him once, like in a random vlog, but it was more like a hi-bye thing, and then we never really had the chance. I'm always working, so I'm able to actually have that whole week off. I'm gonna be hanging out with my girl. I'm gonna be going to Disneyland. I'm gonna be doing a bunch of stuff, and we're I'm like, babe, I know I'm gonna be with you all week, but on that Saturday, me and Hector are gonna be going to a car meet, and we'll be back, and we'll be having a kickback soon later that day. So it's from, here's a flyer of it. It's from 4 to 8. I'm probably gonna be there from like 4 to 6, 4 to 6:30, because I gotta drive back. I gotta be back home by like 8:30, 9 o'clock, because I'm gonna be turning up. It's also my brother's birthday, so yeah, that's gonna go down. If you guys are there and you guys want to say hi, oh shit, I should have stopped back there, but there was a car like right behind me, and I didn't want him to rear end me. So my bad. I always stop for them. Where was I at? Oh, so yeah, if you guys see me there and you guys are gonna be going, hit me up. We'll hang out, but I'm probably gonna be leaving like around 12:30, avoid traffic, and from Oxnard, California. And I'm not gonna stay there the whole time, only because I already had plans that day. What else? I'm gonna be taking these lanyards with me, so if you guys want one, let me know. Again, they're prototypes. I'm not selling them. I'm just gonna give them out for free. We're gonna be doing a lot of things with new type. You guys can already buy some stickers from him if you guys are into anime. We're gonna be expanding and doing a bunch of other things. It's Daniel's company. He wants to do it his own way. That's dope. All I ask is for a couple card stuff. That way I can rock them. And we go from there. Bro, hey, come here. Sit. That's right, you listen to the big dog. With those eyes. Why are you so happy? Why are you so happy all the time? You guys know Gotham, mascot of the channel? Gotham the pug. What? Oh, dude, no, put that red rocket away. Put your lipstick away, boy. Yo, but check it out. Don't want to talk too loud because it's 2 in the morning. I just got home from work, but these are the stickers I was telling you guys about that my homie's drawing. He drew these and then had them pretty much printed out. But like, they came out pretty good. It's a sticker too. I'm probably gonna put that on my car. That's Tanjiro. And this is his sister right here. He also did a little holographic one. So I'll probably put one of these on my laptops. But he's gonna have a lot more. Right now he has Vegeta on a Dragon Ball and Goku riding Shenron. So if you guys are into animes, I mean, just like I am, I'm sure you'd like this. We are gonna be putting different stuff on the website soon, but little by little. But he's been selling, he actually sold out on these, so random people have been buying them. We put it on Reddit and people love them. But eventually we'll be putting like car stuff and all that stuff in there, so watch out for that. But yeah, it's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. I know you guys like the POV. I know why. So little drive arounds, little VTEC maybe, I don't know. But yeah guys, I'll see you guys in another video. You guys have a good day, stay classy, peace.